motivate us. So if somebody would like to share good information, please unmute yourself and we will listen. You would like to share, Angela? Yes, please.
Yes, I have intended often to, when I have to miss practice on a day that I usually am able to be here, that I would get up early enough to do another practice first. And today I have to leave in half an hour to take my granddaughter someplace. And I actually did this morning get up and listen to 45 minutes of Megan's practice from last week. And
Mm,
it was like all this time I've been saying, well, I could do that. And today I did it. So
yeah, congratulations.
yeah.
Allah. And may it encourage us all to practice a lot. Yes, thank you, Angela. Other people who would like to share good experience, or maybe you have questions about the last module, module 6, please don't hesitate to ask questions. But it's, of course, not necessary to create questions. That's not necessary, but sometimes it can obstruct you to going into a good state. That's why I would like to leave the room for. Yes, Elizabeth?
Yeah, I'll share something. I had been having these blood tests that were high in red blood cells, and I had a couple of doctors who said that this was really problematic, and maybe I had sleep apnea, and I had tested for that, and I didn't have it. And this other doctor told me, oh, you could have a stroke or a heart attack, and you need to go see a hematologist and everything. And I went to a different doctor. And she said it wasn't a problem because I live at altitude. I live over 6,000 feet above sea level. So she said that's normal. So anyway, I was thinking about what Teacher Wei was saying in that recording that Irene sent about not attaching to problems. It was something from WeChat that she sent a couple of weeks ago. And that really resonated with me because once um, I really let go of worrying about it and attaching to it. And I just had a blood test this month, and my red blood cell count was completely normal.
Mm.
So I just wanted to share, yeah, thank you, Irene, the importance of not attaching to these things and letting go of looking at them as being problematic.
Mm,
It was really, I think, what changed everything.
mm.
I mean, on a physical level. So I just wanted to share that in case it inspires anybody.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful inspirational sharing. The no problem stay and not attaching to any kind of information. We only observe. We only observe information, but we don't attach to it, Elizabeth. That's what you shared with us. And it's beautiful. It's fundamental to our practice. Really, thank you so much. Paula. Hmm. Somebody else? Stephanie, would you like to share?
Good morning. Thank you. Yeah, Elizabeth's share reminded me of something from last weekend that I was driving a lot and I was in the car and Eckhart Tolle came on just as soon as I got in the car and plugged my phone in, and I hadn't even, put him on. So I was listening, and he was saying many of the same things that Teacher Wei has been saying, and similar to what Elizabeth just shared about how when we're in, he doesn't call it Meng Shui, he calls it, our higher or our real self. But when we're in that observing, the healing and the transformation is just occurs. It just does, because that's what that state is. It's when we remember a diagnosis or we remember the information and we believe it, that we revert things back to the way they were. But if we can stay, the more we can stay in that state and not attached to that information, the more the healing just occurs naturally. And I just thought it was so cool. And then when I got to where I was going and everything, I shut my Spotify down, and then on the way home, I plugged my phone back in again and immediately was back at that same lesson, as if you need to hear this again. So I did. But I just love it when, it feels like the field is working with us to be like, let me tell it to you another way.
I understand. Yes. Beautiful sharing. It was Eckhart Tolle, you said that you were? Yeah, he's a beautiful teacher and a master also in Mingjue, but he calls it differently. Yeah, thank you for sharing. Paula. Mm, beautiful. Yeah, we have so many thoughts. I don't know how they measured it, but somebody told me we have about 60,000 thoughts a day. I don't know how they ever could measure. But the question is like you don't listen to them anymore, or you don't hear them anymore. You don't pay any attention, and you definitely don't believe them. Don't believe your thoughts. But of course, in everyday life, we are organizing things, we are preparing things, we are talking to people. Of course, we use that system of the thinking. We use the thoughts to organize something, but most of the time we just let them go. We don't even notice them anymore. Yeah. Yeah. Is there anybody else who would like to share? No? Then we go on with our practice to make our state stronger and stronger and more stable. And so today I think we can start with the N practice for a while, and then we can stand and we can, in every of our energetical centers, we will open and close and do some movement. Yes. Are there any requests, a movement you would like? I think Karen loves the hip rotation, so we definitely do that. Um, but if there's something else, you may always share.
I would love a little caterpillar.
And the caterpillar, okay, I keep it in mind. Rotation, caterpillar, something else? No? Okay. So you can also start standing. For you, it's morning, so maybe you prefer standing. For me, it's almost evening, so I feel like starting sitting down and then coming up again. So we sit comfortably. Feel our sitting bones on the chair, the feet on the ground, and our spine is straight but very relaxed. We feel the relaxation in our body, in the shoulders, the chin, neck, everything very relaxed. And we start reciting the N sound loudly and 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 there are many distracting thoughts. You can do it faster. Mm, 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 mm. Continue, and at the same time observe how we are connected in a beautiful consciousness field. We open our hearts towards each other. We open our hearts in all directions. And we connect to our beautiful consciousness field. Mm, 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 mm. Our body transforming, merging with the chi field surrounding us. Everything is chi. Mm, 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 mm. mm, mm. Observing the sleeping and not sleeping state. Relaxing deeper and deeper. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Correct, correct. Your beautiful baby heart. We are Mingjue love, pure unconditional love. Mm, 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 mm. We are Mingjue peace, deep, deep, very peaceful, natural state. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Very light state, filled with deep inner joy, joy in every cell. We surrender to joy. We connect deeper and deeper to joy, happiness, in a very gentle way, very peaceful way. Mm, mm, Mm. 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 And maybe an inner smile is coming to show on your face. But maybe not, that's also fine. But deep inside, we connect to inner joy. Inner joy and outer joy merging together, transforming the self, the chi, in a beautiful way. Mm. 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 Then surrender and merge with gratitude. Beautiful, deep gratitude. Mm. Mm. Can you feel the connection with each other? It's getting stronger and stronger. And we surrender more and more. Mm. Connected with the pure original chi. Very pure, very light, it's playful, very gentle, tender. We are pure baby hearts chi. Mm. Mm. A free state, no attachment, only observation. Mm. Mm. And we feel the love, the joy, peace, and gratitude. And completely relaxed, we lift from Bai Hui and stand up on our feet and keeping this beautiful state. And we shall do some more movement to gather chi in our centers of energy deep inside our body. And we started with the opening and closing movement of the chi ball. We hold the chi ball in front of lower dantian. And open, forward. Chi is being gathered deep inside. All directions. There's no more skin, no more bones. Very gentle and tender. Slow. Deep observation deep inside the kidneys, inside Mingmen Palace. Open. Merging far away. Close. Mingdre observes inside. Open. Close. Open. Close. Gathering chi deep inside Mingmen Palace. Open. Far away all directions. Close. Time open. And we raise the chi ball in front of Hunyuan Palace. Energy field around pancreas, behind the stomach. Observe deep inside Hunyuan Palace. Infinite, infinite space. And open. Close. deep inside. You are the center of the universe. Oh, just very relaxed fingers are chi fingers. Arms are chi arms. The whole body is a chi body. Open. Open. We support one another. We are us. I'm you, you are me. Oh, 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 oh. Enjoying our practice together. Oh, oh, deep inside. Mindra is very stable. The observation is stable and deep. And bringing a chi ball in front of middle dantian, heart and lungs, observing deep inside. Feeling the openness in all directions of middle dantian. No more inside, no more outside. Oh, 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 open. More. Continue opening and closing. Now a beautiful baby hearts. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is with us. We've been traveling a day, traveling a year, traveling a lifetime. find our way home. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. The heart is with us. Mm. And then holding the Qigong in front of our neck, we're going to do one more center deep inside the neck. And observing deep inside the neck. Only observe, allowing, accepting everything. And that's all. Deep inside. Open. 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 Oh, enjoy clear observation, pure chi, and closing. Open. Raising the hand in front of upper dantian, connecting deep inside with the center of upper dantian, with Shanji Palace. Mm. Mm. Oh, all directions. Go deep inside the big inner smile, the free state. Oh, oh, Open. Open. And then turning the palms upwards and lifting a chi ball above the head. And we put the hands upon each other, the hand palms. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. And breathing out and bringing the hands lower down. Prayer hands in front of Upper Dantian, in front of our hearts, and going lower, and then placing our hands on our sides, and getting ready for the movement of lower Dantian rotation. Stepping on Chi, we place the feet on shoulder width. And Mingdre observes in lower Dantian. Relax. Relax. Lower Dantian. Tailbone. Completely relaxed. Pure chi. This tailbone going very deep, deep, deep into the earth. Observe how your chi tailbone goes very deep, passing through all the layers of the earth. And lower Dantian is opening in all directions. It's infinite space deep inside. There's no more skin, no more bones. It's all chi. And our energy tailbone deep inside the earth goes forward and then to the left, backwards, to the right. And now each of us on our own comfortable pace, rotating lower dantian. Combining it with breathing or not, just feel how you would like now to enjoy this practice. Very relaxed, very gentle. Gathering lots of chi deep inside Lord Anja. The hips are pure chi. Only observing, observing the pure, free, relaxed state, playfully rotating Lord and Jen. And slowly we come to the center. If your fingers are maybe a little bit stiff, you can rotate them a little bit, move them, your chi fingers. Maybe you've gathered some tension in your shoulders, rotate the chi shoulders. And then again, you place the hands on the sides and go the other direction. Front, right, and just follow your rhythm. Maybe you would like to move faster or even slower. Enjoy this practice. We are Mingdre Love. We are Mingdre Peace. We are Mingdre Joy. We are Mingdre Gratitude. Gradually we stop And we focus, observe deep inside Mingmen Palace. And moving now to the front and to the back. To the front and the back. When you go to the front, you may pull back your navel towards Mingmen and hold while you're breathing. And you release, and the tailbone goes up, and you get a hollow back. Breathe in. Ah. And this is good preparation for our last movement, a caterpillar movement. You may release the hands to the sides. Put the feet a bit closer towards each other. And starting from Mingmen, moving to the front, to the back. The starting point of a caterpillar is Mingmen in this exercise. You can always start from another point too. Let's start from Mingmen and just feel the flow of chi. And you can use your imagination if that helps you for enjoying the movement in a more relaxed state, maybe. Just imagine you're this beautiful baby caterpillar climbing on a tree in a very relaxed way. And the whole spine is flexible like honey. With a big inner smile. And if you like, you can also use your arms in this caterpillar movement, but just feel maybe you want to relax the arms by letting them dangling, hanging down. The spine is completely flexible. We're giving a boost to our central nervous system. And opening the chest And gradually making the movement smaller, relaxing, moving smaller. Until the movement is so small, the body is no longer moving, but you can observe the movement in the chi field. And then we close our feet, stepping on chi. And we're gonna do once, 4 chi down, so the hands go deep down in the earth, bringing a chi ball in front of our bodies to above the head. Connecting as far as possible, connecting with the pure Hunyuan Chi and sending us good information, lowering down the hands. Beautiful, pure Hunyuan Chi is abundant in upper dantian. Beautiful, pure Hunyuan Chi, abundant in middle dantian. Pure, pure, beautiful Hunyuan Chi, abundant in lower dantian. Oh. Arms, chi, legs, chi, abundant. All functions of the organs are perfect. All cells are happy, peaceful, joyful. And we gather a lot of beautiful chi to our navels and put our hands on the navel. We have sent ourselves some good information, and we send this information towards all our family members and neighbors and fellow citizens and to everybody, including people we maybe find it difficult to live with, who trigger us by their words or deeds. But we can just stay in this beautiful state, send them beautiful information, light, love, unconditional love, in an unattached way, pure unconditional love to everybody on the planet. Paula. And when you're ready, unfold your hands. I want to thank you all for the beautiful field. Thank you. Yes. A nice day to everybody.
Thank you,
And see
Gretel.
Thank you,
you.
Gretel.
Thank you
Beautiful.
all.
Thank you, Gretel.
Yeah.
When you want
You.
Hola.
Hola.
Goes on.
Thank you,
Hola.
Gretel. That was extraordinary.
Beautiful.
I enjoyed it a lot too. Thanks to you all. Hola. Mwah.
Ciao.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I can do this too. Bye. Bye.
Bye.